Singsang Taytay Leho, I am Ami Saura, born on May 10, 1987, 39 years old, from Pangasinan, Philippines. I am a single, I am high school graduate, and I like cleaning, cooking, and taking good care of kids. I work as housemaid in Philippines for 1 year and 11 months from June 2003 to May 2005. I serve one couple and their two children ages 21 and 17 years old. I work as housemaid in Philippines for 3 years and 4 months from May 2005 to September 2008. I serve one couple and 3 years old child. I work as housemaid in Philippines for 6 years and 3 months from October 2008 to January 2015. I serve one couple and two children ages 12 and 4 years old. I work as housemaid in Philippines for 1 year and 6 months from October 2024 to April 2026. I serve 93 years old elderly.
Hello, Miss Ami Saura. How are you today?
I am good and thank you, sir.
All right. May we know your main duties from your previous employer?
My main duty is taking care of elderly, providing the services that she needs.
Okay, so what if you damage something from your employer's house? What will you do?
Sir, madam, I will say sorry. I will promise to be careful next time.
Okay, so what if the mother of your employer cannot speak in English? How will you communicate with her?
Sir, madam, I will use sign language and I will study on how to understand and to speak their language.
Okay, so what is the most important thing in taking care of children?
To prepare their foods on time, check their clothes as weight, and always keep them safe.
What if the employer's children are very naughty in the house? Will you beat them?
No, sir, madam, I will just talk to them nicely, love them, and understand them because, in the first place, they are just child who always want to play.
How will you maintain a safe environment for the children?
Make sure doors and windows are always closed. Keep sharp objects away and keep harmful material out of their reach.
All right, what is the most important thing in carrying a baby?
Regularly check the diaper if it is wet. Feed the baby on time and give the medicine on time.
How will you arrange your duties if only you and the baby left in the house?
Attend the baby first, bath the baby, feed the baby, and once the baby is sleeping, that is the time that I can do my household chores.
Okay, so can you sing a lullaby to the baby for him to feel asleep? If yes, can you give us example?
Yes, sir, like, rain, rain, go away, come and get another lay. Little children want to play.
Okay, so do you have any last message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me as your housemaid because I badly need this job. It will help me to grow as a person and it will be a big help for my family. Promise to do my duties and responsibilities and I will finish my contract.
All right, before we end, can you share your best smile? Thank you very much, Miss Ami Saura, and hope to see you very soon in abroad.
Ma'am and sir, thank you and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.